Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare Goan Sambar Masala powder and dry prawns curry. So let's get started. First we'll prepare Sambar Masala powder. We are going to take 50 grams of picun chilies or called as Butwanche misang, 100 grams of dry coriander, take 50 grams of bedgi chilies and 50 grams of Kashmiri chilies. Now let's roast all these chilies in a pan and keep it on a low flame and stir it in between. Now let's transfer it to a plate and let it cool. Now let's add to pan dry coriander and roast it slightly. In that add 3 tablespoons rice, roast it. Add 1 tablespoon fenugreek seed or methi seed. Add half tablespoon cumin or jeera. Mix it well. Once all spices have been roasted slightly, now we'll be adding 2 full tablespoons of turmeric powder and turn off the gas stove immediately so that our turmeric powder doesn't get burned, and we'll be roasting turmeric powder on pan heat. Now transfer this masala and let it cool for some time. Now let's take a mixer jar and add all the spices. Grind these spices into fine powder. Now take a strainer and strain masala powder from the mixer jar, and if any big particle is remaining in the strainer, you can grind it again and repeat the same process. Here our Goan Sambar Masala powder is ready. Let it cool for some time. Now let's prepare dry prawns sambarachi kodi or sumtachi kodi. We have soaked 1 bowl of dry prawns in water for some time. And also soaked 5 to 6 pieces of dry mango, or also called as sola or amchur slice. We have taken 1 grated coconut. Now I'm using same mixer jar to make curry. 2 small pieces of ginger. In that add 6 to 8 pieces of garlic. Add grated coconut. Now let's add little water to grind. Now in the same mixer jar we'll be adding 2 full tablespoons of sambar masala powder, or you can add quantity as per your taste. Add little more water and make fine paste. Now let's take a vessel and add some oil. In that add 3 green slit chilies. Add 1 medium chopped onion. Give a mix. Now let's slightly crush dry mango slice. Let it get cooked. Now we'll be crushing soaked dry prawns slightly. And let's add it in vessel to get cooked. Give a good mix. Now let's add masala paste from the mixer jar and stir it well. Now let's add little water in mixer jar and we'll be adding the masala water to make curry. If required, you can add some more water, depends on how thick you want the curry to be. Add 1/4 tablespoon salt. Mix it and let it get cooked on medium flame. Now let's take 8 to 10 pieces of tailed pepper, or also called as chapada. Slightly crush it and add it to the curry. We are adding tailed pepper or chapada. It gives nice fragrance, taste, and it is also good for health. Add little sugar for taste if required. Stir it well, let it boil for some time. I have grinded sambar masala in bulk so that I can use it next time. So once masala is cool, you can pack it in a container and store. And now our Goan suke sungtachi kodi is ready. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching Granny's Top Kitchen.